Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Dogecoin cost will hit $0.2 by the center of 2024 and afterward $3 by the center of 2025. Dogecoin will ascend to $0.4 inside the extended time of 2032 and $5 in 2035. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $1.8394. So the cost expanded by 55% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $24 and the year-to-year change plus 167%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 72%. In 2024, we hope to see $25 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $0.31. In the last part, the cost would add $0.02 and close the year at $33, which is plus 137% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $3.14. Monday, blemish $4.14. Tuesday, blemish $5.14. Wednesday, blemish $6.14. Thursday, blemish $7.14. Friday, blemish $8.14. Saturday, blemish $9.15. Sunday, blemish $10.15. Walk $15.15. April $15.18. May $15.21. June $15.24. August $15.25. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $36 to $52, which is plus 44%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $36, then at that point take off to $38 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $37. It is about plus 165% from today. Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $62, so the cost diminished by 4% from the outset of the year. The determined Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.585 and the year-to-year change plus 76%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 84%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.25 per one Dogecoin. In the principal half of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.6297. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.69 and close the year at $16.28. Which is plus 89% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $0.2628 to $1.0473, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $0.1628, then take off to $0.2695 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.1674. That implies plus 94% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.473 to $419, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.2473, then take off to $1.2490 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.630. It is about plus 205% from today. Stirs a 1-2's interval. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $0.788, so the cost diminished by 12% from the outset of the year. The estimated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.11318 and the year-to-year change plus 47%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $22 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $411. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.57 and close the year at $23.54, which is plus 72% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.354 to $1.2055, which is up 52%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.354, then take off to $1.1409 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.391. That implies plus 77% from today. Dogecoin expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $0.2055 to $1.2841, which is plus 38%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.55, then, at that point, take off to $1.69 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.2085. It is about plus 177% from today. 0.1152 Dogecoin value forecast 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.07, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The estimated Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.13 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 38%. In 2024, we hope to see $8.37 per one Dogecoin. In the primary portion of 2025, the Dogecoin cost will move to $1.69. In the final part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at $1.69, which is plus 57% to the ongoing cost. Dogecoin forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Dogecoin cost would move from $1.1269 to $1.18401, which is up 10%. Dogecoin will begin 2026 at $1.1269, then dip to $1.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.2236. That implies plus 53% from today. Dogecoin forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Dogecoin cost would ascend from $1.1401 to $1.2000, which is plus 43%. Dogecoin will begin 2031 at $1.1401, then, at that point, take off to $1.1376 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.1453. It is about plus 80% from today. 2024. Dogecoin value expectation 2024-2025. Dogecoin cost began in 2024 at $8.98. Today, Dogecoin exchanged at $8.92. So the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The Dogecoin cost toward the finish of 2024 is